Okay guys, just before using your daily book, this is a short quick setup tutorial I want to run you through before you do that. Make sure the following setups are completed. On the first day, click the settings, which is the three lines located at the bottom left corner. Access the settings from there, select the date. If you want to start from January 1st, select December 31st and click Save. Also, some fields are mandatory, like label and default departments. Just see the ones with the red asterisks and complete those. Select anything for now, and later you can update those fields. Next, we're going to move to merchant setup. Set up the merchant as either a gas merchant or a non-gas merchant. Type merchant in the smart search or go to the setup menu and click merchant. On the page, you will see a question mark symbol. Click on that symbol for help on how to add a merchant. You will find question mark on all the modules in the back office. This is where you can access notes or watch tutorials to complete your setups. After the merchant, you will then go to the bank setup. Type financial in smart search or go to the setup menu and click financial accounts. On that page, again you're going to click the question symbol for help on how to add a bank account. Once completed, you move to the next following setup. Type lottery in the smart search and click lottery setup. On that page, access the question mark again to get help with the setup. Once the lottery setup is completed, go back to the smart search and type ATM and then click ATM dashboard. Again, from here, access the question mark symbol, get help with the setup and complete that setup. Once done, we move forward by typing money order in the smart search. Click money order, and on that page, again, access the symbol and complete your setup. Lastly, type money transfer in the smart search and click money transfer. Access the question mark symbol one more time to get help with the setup and complete that setup. Once done, now you'll be ready with all your setups that needed to be taken care of. And that's all for your setups on your first day. Do check out our upcoming videos or click on our back office tutorials playlist to get more detailed videos and tutorials to help you. That's all from me. I'll see you guys in our next video.